Hello, I'm Nicola Walton from Daisy and Grace, and I'm excited to share with you the Daisy and Grace templates available exclusively in the United States at Missouri Star Quilt Company. Now let's get sewing with Daisy and Grace and Missouri Star Quilt Company. Hello, I'm Nicola from Daisy and Grace, and I'm here at Missouri Star Quilt Company to show you my Quilt-As-You-Go templates. They are a two-piece template. You have an outer and an inner, and they allow you to create little mini quilts. So the outer you cut with your backing, and the inner you cut with your main fabric and your wadding. The inner is the finished shape. So here is my jewel, that's the inner, that's your finished quilt. Voila! Now there are some important things with my templates and how you measure them and how they can work together. So with my hexagon, on a hexagon there are different measurements, but the one constant measurement on a hexagon is this outside edge. So this is my 2.5 inch hexagon, and the reason being is this hexagon edge is 2.5 inches. Now from point to point, they are 5 inches, like that. But from top to bottom, no, that's just over 4.25 inches. So the only constant measurement is this side measurement. That's the important measurement that you need to know to have lots of fun with the templates. It started with a 2.5 inch hexagon. And that's fabulous. But now we have the 2.5 inch half hexagon. Look, that fits with that. But two 2.5 inch hexagons also makes a 2.5 inch hexagon. Then we've got the 2.5 inch diamond. That fits with the 2.5 inch hexagon. And 3 diamonds make a 2.5 inch hexagon. Then we've got the 2.5 inch triangle that also fits on the 2.5 inch hexagon. And 6 of those, guess what they make? A 2.5 inch hexagon. And then along came the bigs. The bigs, the centre of the bigs is the 2.5 inch hexagon. It has a 2.5 inch half hexagon. So this edge is 2.5 inches. This longer edge is 5 inches. It comes with a 2.5 inch jewel. Now you may look at the jewel and you think, I can see the 2.5 inches round here, but it's big. Why is it 2.5 inches? Because it fits with the 2.5 inch hexagon. Look at that, you've got an extension on the hexagon. Now this edge is 2.5 inches, 5 inches. So this edge fits with the 5 inch triangle, it fits with the 5 inch diamond, and it fits with the outer edge of the 2.5 inch half hexagon. Once you've mastered the art of the mini quilt, which is super easy, there are so many shapes that you can make. And then that's when the fun begins, because we're going to give you loads of ideas of how to put them together, and you're going to have so much fun. We hope you enjoyed seeing how all the Daisy and Grace templates fit together and how the possibilities are truly endless. We can't wait to see what you create.
Hi everybody, it's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you aren't already part of the Missouri Star Quilt Company family, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. And if you click that bell, it'll notify you every time a new tutorial comes out. See you next Friday.